Hey, welcome to dashcamtv. Thanks for checking out the channel. Truly appreciate the support. So I find this is a pretty exciting video that I'm making. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm borrowing an idea from Mr. Beast. I know most of you probably already know who Mr. Beast is, but for those of you who don't, Mr. Beast is one of the most successful YouTubers right now. He's got well over 50 million subscribers. His real name is Jimmy Donaldson, and he's young. I doubt he's even 25 years old yet. In his early 20s, making very good money on YouTube. So you're gonna have to stick around and watch till the end to see the announcement that I make of the idea of his that I'm borrowing, because it's such a good idea. I just thought that it would help others as well. So, and he does that a lot. He helps people, so that's he's inspiring that way. And if you just keep watching till the end of this video, I will let you know what that announcement is. And in the meantime, click the like button, comment. This is such a great idea. We're really going to want to get this video out there and really please that YouTube algorithm. So watch right till the end. Another absolutely stunning, sunny, bright, beautiful blue sky day. I have a feeling by the time I get to the announcement at the end of this video, we'll be back into the snow conditions. There is snow in the forecast for tomorrow and the next day. Whistler is along for the truck ride as well right now. He's pretty excited to hear what the announcement is at the end of this video as well. So it's not a Mr. Beast burger, but that is what a double teen from A&W looks like. Delicious. I'm coming into the small village of Croydon. So before I get into the big announcement, I just wanted to give it a little context. As many of you know, Mr. Beast donates a lot of money to charity and people in need, which is why I'm borrowing this idea from him. The charity that I'm choosing is the Canadian Cancer Society. The reason being, this coming December 2021 will be the 10-year anniversary of my dad passing from cancer. And I know each and every one of you out there has been affected by cancer, whether knowing someone who has had it, someone who has beat it, someone who has passed from it, or even having it yourself. So this is a really important cause to me. So please stick around. We'll be making that announcement coming up shortly. Before I get into the channel announcement, remember that if you're buying anything on Amazon today, click the link in the description, in my About section, or the comments below, and you will really help this channel grow. Small town of Enterprise, which I think is very fitting to make the announcement. So first, I will let you know the Mr. Beast video I recently saw that inspired this idea, where he said that for every new subscriber in 2021, he will give 10 cents to charity. So in January alone, he picked up 3 million subscribers. So he recently made a video giving away over $300,000. So I'm making the same pledge that whatever my subscriber count is on December 31st, 2021, I will donate 10 cents for every subscriber to the Canadian Cancer Society. So if I make it to 500 subscribers, that's 50 bucks. 1,000 subscribers, that's 100 bucks right out of my own pocket. If I make it past 1,000 and this channel gets monetized, which I hope we can do, so I can give more money to the Canadian Cancer Society, that would be amazing as well. If I could get to 10,000 subscribers, that would be a $1,000 donation. I know that's probably reaching, but let's do what we can to help make this video reach as many people as possible. And please, you now know how important it is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. Truly appreciate the support. Just to reiterate, for every subscriber that I have on December 31st, 2021, I will donate 10 cents to the Canadian Cancer Society. So please subscribe and help me get those numbers up so I can make a good donation by then. And help get this video out there. Share it to your Facebook page. Share it on your Twitter. Do whatever it takes to do to make sure as many people as possible see this video. Let's try to get this video to Mr. Beast. If he's not upset that I borrowed his idea and he wants to help me raise money for the Canadian Cancer Society, I know him giving a shout out to channels explodes their subscriber count. So let's do everything to try to get this to him and see what happens. Again, Mr. Beast, if you do see this, I'm doing this not to directly steal from you, but because you inspired me to try to help others. Thanks for watching. Until next time.